All right. Sorry. Mal à la gorge. OK. Donc, s'appelait chilleux. On commence aujourd'hui le stream de Hogwarts Legacy. Bon, désolé. Donc, on était rendu au Central Hall. J'ai pas rejoué depuis, donc j'avais dit que probablement j'allais essayer de grinder, faire des side quests, etc. Malheureusement, la semaine passée était une semaine assez mouvementée. Hey, Sophie Cuir, bienvenue. Et donc, j'ai pas vraiment pu rejouer tant que ça. Hey, Neko, what's up, man? Donc, j'ai pas nécessairement rejoué tant que ça, mais peut-être que j'aille plus de temps. Un jour, j'aimerais avoir des vacances, donc ça serait intéressant. Donc, on commence. On venait de mettre le feu à des chats. Parce que j'avais brûlé des chats, j'avais testé Incendio, etc. Et il nous restait quelques quests à faire. Quest, The Girl from Ouagadougou. Regarde, on va essayer d'aller track quest. On va essayer de tracker cette quest-là. Ah non. Alright. Successfully avoid enemy attack by dodge. Ok, ça c'est une quest. On va aller voir les autres. Ah, all pod. Un nouveau. Made me. Ok. On va essayer de faire Cross One Tree. On va essayer de la faire. On va faire quelques side quests.
Revelio.
Revelio. Revelio! Bon, en gros, aujourd'hui, éliminer une coupe de side quests, puis faire la main. Tranquille. Flatter des chats aussi. Quand on voit des chats, on les flatte. Puis on met le feu après aussi. On va mettre le feu après. On va changer mes magies. Ici.
Lumos.
Non, Lumos. On va changer Lumos pour... Oh, j'en ai-tu d'autres qui pourraient être... Non. C'est bon, ça. C'est des choses ici?
Revelio.
Ah, ça, c'est les toilettes. Ah, non, je peux pas le unlock. Ah? Ah oui.
Incendio.
Alright. J'aimerais ça vivre à Hogwarts, vraiment. Là.
Levioso.
Alright.
Do you realize what you're wearing?
Donc, ici... is the final round of Crossroads ready? Alright.
Hello, Lucan. Is the final round across wands ready?
Big match
go.
today. It all comes down to this. The moment that we find out if your training and dedication is enough to win it all. Ready for a shot at glory?
On va l'essayer.
I
Absolutely.
certainly am.
Brilliant. Are you dealing with a partner?
La même.
Yes, Natty.
Then let's get started.
We can make this a real victory.
That's the
Yep.
spirit.
Oh, il y en a 5 là. Tu bien vu ça? Ouais? Oh, pourquoi l'humour? Ah, fuck. Ah, c'est... Ah, faut que je me rappelle des pitons. On va leur faire.
They made a crap's breakfast out of
Je
you, that
déteste jouer avec un
Let's try
clavier.
again.
Je pense que je vais m'acheter
Yes,
une
I'm ready
manette.
now.
Very well. Good luck out there.
Ouais, je sais. C'est parce qu'il faut que je bloque en même temps aussi.
Accio. Accio.
Akio,
Incendio.
Incendio sur elle.
Levioso. Come on.
Levioso. Let's try again.
Ah,
Incendio. Potato. Levioso.
non. Bon, Stupidos. Non, Stupefy, ouais.
Act like a winner. Levioso.
Incendio.
Et voilà.
Levioso.
Levioso. Incendio. Potato.
Ouch. Yes, un de moins.
Stupefy.
On va prendre la potion.
Levioso. Accio.
Oh yeah!
I could never.
Oh
do like
yeah!
that.
Faut vraiment que je me
What a
pratique
victory!
là.
You've won the tournament.
Ouais, ça je sais pour la couleur, c'est juste que asti, j'avais de la misère à les viser en fait.
I'm just pleased to have done as well as I did.
And we're pleased to have such a gracious champion. Now, to the victor goes the prize.
Oh
And so
yeah!
it is my great honor to present you with this simple yet elegant token of supreme dueling accomplishment.
A butt plug!
Thank you. It's been an honor.
You earned it. You are a duelist to be reckoned with. Now that we've definitively crowned the tournament winner, I
The
suppose I should get back to my
awkward
schoolwork. Wonder how my herbology plants
Phoenix
are doing.
butt
I haven't
plug.
tended them in ages.
I
Alright.
like your pajamas.
Non, merci. I know I have a
It's
good
over. I was just
pajamas.
getting started.
Hello, Lucan. I'd like to practice with the training
no.
dummy.
Excellent idea. This time will be a bit more of a challenge. Ready?
Okay.
That'd be brilliant.
Wonderful. I'll set things up. Remember to cast all the spell combinations before the dummy lands again. If you need to stop
Alright.
practicing before you finish all of them, let me know.
Ah oui. 4.
Incendio. Levioso.
Alright.
Good one.
Okay.
Accio. Incendio.
Alright.
Nicely done.
Nicely done. Okay. 4.
Accio. Incendio. Levioso. Accio.
Ah! J'ai manqué de power sur ma baguette. Alright, on en fait.
Incendio. Levioso. Accio. Incendio.
Alright.
That's it!
That's it!
Impressive wand work. I'd hate to face you in a duel.
Thanks, Lucan. You've been a great help.
Bon, on
Oh,
va être
stop.
gentil.
Don't make me blush. Seriously, well done. Training dummies will think twice before challenging you again. Even though you won the tournament already, I'm glad to see you haven't stopped training. Stay sharp, my friend.
Stay gay, my friend. Alright. Now, the Daedalian key. Track. Bon, on va essayer de trouver le troisième treasure. Oh. Ah.
Revelio. Incendio. Levioso. Accio.
Non? Alright. Probablement une autre magie éventuellement. Ah, c'est vrai, c'est quoi les magies que j'ai? Bon, j'ai Lumos, j'ai Akio, j'ai... Ah, c'est probablement Resto Momentus. Ah, c'est probablement quelque chose genre... Anyway. Ah, c'est quoi? Je sais même pas c'est quoi l'item que j'ai eu. Dans les collections? Dans les collections? Challenge? De quoi ça avance? Field page, ça avance. Inventory. Ok. Des lettres. Des pignons, des champignons. On va aller voir dans le gear. Gear, bon, j'ai rien eu là. Alright, on continue. La, 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 la. C'est supposé d'être en dessous là. Là, j'ai réussi à sauter par-dessus. C'est supposé d'être ici.
Spare a moment? I could use
Alright.
your help.
What the fuck
You wanted to speak with me?
I did. Hello, I'm Duncan Hobhouse. Pleasure to meet you. I've
Pleasure.
heard all about you, of course, confronting trolls and dragons.
And your mom.
That's nice to hear. I have had my share of adventure. I hope my reputation's warranted.
I'm going to presume your reputation is in fact warranted, in which case, you are precisely the person I need. You see, we were learning to repel boggarts in Professor Hecat's class, and, well, mine unfortunately took the shape of a puffskein.
Ok, tu veux que j'aille le tuer?
Ugh, well, they seem innocent, but their tongues can be most disturbing.
Exactly. I wish more of our fellow students agreed with you. Regardless of how reasonable I believe my fear of puffskeins to be, I'm beginning to get a reputation as a coward. Some have even taken to calling me Puffskein Dunkeen.
Ok, that's
I'm sorry
unkind.
to
Là,
hear
je
that.
vais être...
Words can be cruel.
Thank you.
I will get the... Je
Poppy
vais
keeps
faire une
offering to help me in
gentille...
overcoming my fear, but I'm too afraid to take her up on
Gentille
it.
quest.
Anyway, to make matters worse, I stupidly blurted out that I must be braver than people think, since I have been in the hidden herbology
C'est très dur
corridor.
d'être méchant,
The
pareil,
hidden
dans les jeux.
herbology corridor.
Yes.
Je trouve ça très
Rumor
dur.
has it that the herbology professor before Professor Garlic kept dangerous plants there. It's supposedly so overrun now that no one dares enter it anymore.
Je trouve ça
I was
aussi,
hoping
aussi
you
dur
could
d'être
go there and
méchant
bring
dans
back
des jeux
evidence that I could use
que
to show
décider
that,
de prendre
well,
le
I'd
Jojo
gone in.
Path
Say a
dans
bit of
Stardew
an
Valley,
exceptionally dangerous
puis
plant of some kind.
d'acheter le Community Center pour le Jojo.
What
Ça,
sort
j'ai
of
jamais
plants should I
fait.
expect in the hidden herbology corridor?
I haven't a clue. But have you seen the kinds of plants Professor Garlic grows? If the previous professor was
Marijuana.
anything like her, I'd imagine they're not exactly harmless.
That's the kind of plants he's growing.
Very well. If I'm in the area, perhaps I shall take a look.
Grand.
Right.
I'd very much appreciate it. Come and find me if you get the proof. I shall be forever in your debt.
Ouais, exact. Dans le stuff, tu débloques le stock plus vite parce que tu peux littéralement juste acheter. T'es pas obligé
Hidden herbology corridor.
de trouver le
intriguing.
stock, etc. Mais tu peux acheter. Mais moi, j'ai jamais fait. Je vais peut-être un jour le faire juste pour me rendre pour débloquer l'achievement. Puis
Seems an odd choice for
crisser
wandering
ça là
about
après.
having read all
Je veux dire, recommencer New Game. Ça pourrait être intéressant.
Revelio.
Revelio. Ah,
I still can't manage to transfigure a match into a
il y a une affaire à flamber ici.
Incendio.
Ouais, mais dans le futur. Le plus drôle, c'est ça qui est drôle, c'est que on dit ça genre dans le futur, mais finalement on le fait jamais.
Revelio.
All of my siblings have gone on.
Ah, ouais, ça pourrait être une idée. Faire un genre de anti-héros stream Jojo. Genre d'anti-Belcore, là. Ça serait crissement intéressant. C'est des trucs cool ici. De la pelouse.
Revelio.
Revelio. Oh. Accio.
Accio. Revelio.
Alright. T'en feu pour les field guides. C'est beau comme place.
Revelio.
Je vais juste aller voir là, même si en théorie y a rien. Sérieux, c'est le genre de maison que j'aimerais avoir, tu sais. Une petite maison comme Hogwarts. Use.
These dry vines are one spark away from becoming kindling.
Je veux use, mais. F use. Non, on peut pas use. Bizarre.
Incendio.
Alright. Parce qu'on va aller buter des trucs.
This must be the entrance to the hidden herbology corridor.
Ah, ok, T'étais-tu rendu loin vraiment? Pas mal à Hogwarts Legacy,
Devil's
l'avais-tu
Snatch
fini?
seems to thrive in darkness. Perhaps it doesn't care for light.
Yeah. Light. On va se promener un peu.
Incendio.
Alright. Mahogany fingerless glove.
Lumos.
Bon, c'est supposé d'être meilleur, fait qu'on va l'équiper. Ben, c'est un petit peu meilleur. Bon, ça.
Revelio. Lumos.
Ça, j'imagine que
Incendio.
Incendio.
Accio.
Alright. Ah! Lumos, c'est-tu?
Revelio. Accio. Lumos. Incendio. Lumos. Seems
No,
the
c'est
devil's smell
Incendio,
was
là.
protecting a chest of some kind. Incendio. Lumos. Incendio. Lumos.
Ah! Ah!
Incendio.
Ah!
Revelio.
We are united here today to marry Nicozilla and Bancor.
Levioso. Incendio. Accio.
Oh, ok, tu peux juste le détruire. J'aurais pu juste le détruire de même, fuck.
Lumos. I imagine a piece of that enormous venomous tentacular would be enough for Duncan to prove his bravery. Incendio.
Non, Incendio. Sup?
Incendio. Accio.
Venomous.
Lumos.
Exit Greenhouse. Alright. C'était assez dégueulasse dans ce coin-là. Oh, on pogne des ingrédients, hein.
Lumos.
Un gros coffre. Oh, yeah. Un gear de plus. Ok. Bon, ça on pogne. Giant Venomous Tentacle Leaf. Outfit. Oh, yeah. Un orange en plus. Donnez-moi-en des affaires oranges. J'aime ça.
Revelio.
Pfff, ton esti de
Lumos.
robe est à chier, man. Ah non, on peut pas ouvrir. C'est des choses qu'on peut aller chercher ici. Bon, on va ramasser une couple de petites affaires ici qu'on peut ramasser. Ah! Fuck! Ok. What? Je pense pas que ce soit ici que je passe, mais bon. Oh, yeah! Yes, celui-là. Tu me verras pas. Oups. Lumos.
Lumos.
Tab. Bon. Oh,
nice
fou
to see you,
flingue.
my young friend.
Ah, puis c'est vrai, j'ai une quest là. Faut qu'en fait que j'aille voir l'herboriste pour une des quests. Une des main quests. J'irai après. J'irai voir l'herboriste pour la main quest après.
Revelio.
Oh! Oh non, il y a un esti de lock ici. Use. Ok, ah, il y a ça ici? Non, non, c'est la même petite affaire. Non. On arrive, on arrive, on arrive.
Have you
Voilà.
found anything to, prove my...
Hello, Duncan. I have the proof you wanted.
That's one leaf. Must have been a giant venomous tentacula. It's even more than I expected.
You should love
I
it.
knew you were the one to ask.
I
I
know
appreciate
you
you
love
getting it for me.
tentacle. Happy to help.
Of
Take
course.
it.
I hope this helps
Take
you prove
it
yourself.
where you
This is
want
sure
it.
to put an end to Puffskein Dunking for good when I show everyone in the common room tonight. This'll show Everett how ridiculous that nickname was. Thank you again, and have a good day. I know I will. Thank you for
Alright.
all of your help. No more Puffskein Dunking for me.
Alright. Une side quest de fait. Ah, on va faire cette side quest là. Est-ce que avoid enemy attack by dodge? Ah, ok, non, ça c'est ça. Ça, il y en a 16. Ça, si je l'ai pas trouvé la petite place. Je pense que c'est là. Ah, ok, là. And somewhere out there.
This stairwell looks promising.
Oh, on va aller chercher ça, moi.
This looks like the portrait from the map. And where's the
Yep.
treasure?
Bon. J'ai au moins une clé en plus. Focus, focus. Là. Direct, bang! Alright. I knew she liked it. Ah, il y a un lock là.
Revelio.
Revelio. Alright. Accio?
Accio.
Alright.
There was a doorway hidden within the portrait.
Super.
I wonder what came of Arthur's search.
Authentic historian uniform. Oh yeah. Ah, gear. C'est bon? Ah non, 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 non. Mon truc est meilleur. Bah. Tout ça pour un item qui est moins cool. Oh.
Lumos.
Alright, alright, alright. Mais semble j'ai vu ça. J'ai vu de quoi de genre. Est-ce que là qui a peur de moi? Une belle petite plante sur le bord de la fenêtre. Non. Oh, il y a un... En tout cas, il semblait aussi.
Revelio.
feuille. Hey, ça va bien aujourd'hui pour les trucs à ramasser quand même. Encore un autre. Alright. Sérieux. Alright. Sérieux, je suis content de ma journée, en date. C'est... Disons, très... On ira le chercher plus tard une autre fois si on passe à côté.
Revelio.
Wooden cat.
Incendio.
Ah! What the fuck? C'est bien hot, ça. Ben hot, toi.
Incendio.
Ah, attends. Ah, je pense que je sais qu'on va faire. Il y a peut-être un genre de petit achievement ou de quoi.
Reparo.
Non? Même pas? Alright. C'est juste deux armures qui se pètent la gueule.
Revelio.
Interact. Oh. Hey, sérieux, là. Beaucoup de trucs que je découvre tout d'un coup. Central Hall Font, je l'avais pas pogné celle-là. Bon. Bon, on va aller faire la quest, la main quest, celle-là. Herbology class. Oh! Pourquoi ça va pas... Je l'ai dit on track? Ah oui, je l'avais on track. Let's go into your anus.
Revelio.
Wait. Couche à terre puis attends, là. C'est tellement drôle, là. C'est des trucs à ramasser ici. Bon, ça, pick up. Alright.
Revelio.
C'est
There you are.
d'autres trucs.
The Cross One's duelist to beat.
Alright. On se fait du weed puis des champignons.
Morning, Professor Garlic.
How wonderful it is to see you again, Lenora.
Professor
dear.
Garlic.
Oh, here. You'll need these for today's class. A little treat for your auntie. Ah, hello. Class, please welcome the newest rose in our garden.
Qu'est-ce que mon habillement fit tellement pas avec
We
le
do look
reste?
forward to growing together.
On dirait vraiment qu'il a ouvert son
How
garde-robe, il a pris
thrilling
les
is
trois
it to
morceaux
have
de linge
everyone back together
qu'il y avait sur le
again?
bord.
This year will be filled with enchantments and
Oh.
excitement, but the most important thing cultivated in herbology is knowledge. The prudent herbologist is no more
Avec
afraid
les
of the
tresses.
venomous tentacular than the bouncing bulb.
Ça donne une bonne grip.
Now then, today we will be acquainting ourselves with the mellifluous tuber known as the mandrake root. Accio. Let's see if we can't make our fibrous friends a bit more comfortable, shall we? First, let's protect our ears. Now, everyone, grip their mandrake by the tendrils and give it a firm tug.
Okay.
Quickly! Place your mandrake in the new core and cut down the soil!
Je sais pas si vous savez Greg the
soil
Garlic
should
Farmer.
envelop the root like a warm, dirty
Oh.
blanket, putting the
Non, j'ai juste
mandrake
des
right at
scammers
ease.
qui viennent sur ma page, ça m'énerve. Mais je sais pas si vous connaissez Greg the Garlic Farmer dans VLDL, là, mais il adore les garlic.
I'm very sorry about
Là, je
that.
me disais peut-être que
Yours is
ce
a bit
prof-là, ça
mature, I'm
pourrait être sa
afraid.
blonde,
All right then, off you go.
Professor Garlic.
Splendid work, everyone.
Smell garlic every day.
Now,
Revelio.
our next task will be planting dittany at our potting tables.
C'est quoi ça,
I
toi,
should think
Chris?
Professor Garlic would be more careful with her mandrakes.
On va aller voir Prof Garlic.
Did you know that you can use the mandrake
Yes,
to defend
Professor.
yourself?
Firstly, well
Why,
done with your
very
mandrake.
idea.
They can be rather difficult to get a grasp of.
Enjoy it.
Actually, I enjoyed it. I couldn't help but catch your enthusiasm.
How kind of you. It seems you're already taking to herbology like a mandrake to fresh soil. Now, as I mentioned, next we'll be planting dittany. Let us find you some seeds.
I already have some, Professor. Picked them up in Hogsmeade.
You visited the Magic Neep. Wonderful! A prepared student is bound to bloom. I've arranged for you to have your own potting table here in the classroom. Wasn't easy to spare one on such late notice. Plant the seeds there now, and you can return to harvest them later.
Oh yeah,
Even
I like to
with soil,
plant my
sunlight,
seed.
and a bit of magic. They will take time to grow.
Let's see how to balance my star thistle arrangement. Miffler's Fancy or Roses?
Dittany's restorative properties make it a vital ingredient in the Wiggenweld potion, as you all should know from Professor Sharp's class.
Ça prend juste 10 minutes?
Well done! Once it can be harvested, your Dittany will be ready to use in Wiggenweld potion. I'll let Professor Sharp tell you about that. Now, what say we branch out? Introduce you to a different sort of flora, the Chinese chomping cabbage. You'll find that some plants are better suited to uses outside of a cauldron. The cabbages do get testy without something to chew. Fortunately, I have a dummy for them to gnaw on.
Alright.
Here, dear, and let them have a good chomping.
Yes, Professor.
They're in the other
Yes.
greenhouse. It's just at the end of the footbridge leading out of this room. Your classmate, Mr. Pruitt, has kindly offered to accompany you. Come back and see me when you're finished. Oh, and mind your fingers. They do bite.
Je suis sûr que Professor Garlic a bite aussi.
The best time to plant a seed is last season. The second best time is now.
Non. On sort où? Patins.
Revelio.
Nice
Alright,
work in
okay.
Defense Against the Dark Arts, by the way.
Shut up.
Excuse me?
Your duel with Sebastian! And he's good.
Ah oui, des potions.
Thinks
m'en
he's
fous.
really good. But you outright slaughtered him. It was brilliant.
Collect.
Oh. Oh. Thank you.
I nearly put some. Here we are. Home of the China. Go on. Now, see that dummy? Just toss the cabbages at it. They'll do the rest.
Okay. Toss the cabbage. Hold tab and open. Alright.
Look at that. They'll chomp on anything they can get their
Ben hot, ça.
mouths on. Mum planted some in her garden last year to keep the gnomes out. Did save her the denoming, but they left her honking daffodils in tatters.
Je sais pas me faire attaquer en plus.
Vicious little bastards, aren't they?
Ah
My
ouais,
kind of plants.
énormément.
Not like stupid booba tubers and bouncing bulbs. The kind of plants that'd have your back in a fight. Not saying you can't go it alone, but, well, imagine that wasn't a dummy.
Yep.
I suppose they could prove useful outside of the greenhouse. Nothing wrong with a bit of backup, even if it is from a cabbage.
It's chaos out there. Trolls and hogsmeade and such.
Ça serait tellement
You
drôle,
can't be
par
above
exemple,
throwing a
tu
cruciferous
butes
vegetable
le
if
boss
necessary.
de la fin parce qu'il
Dogweed and
reste genre
death
une
cap have more of it,
fraction
if you're keen.
d'énergie à rien,
Other
puis
plants
tu lances
too.
un cabbage,
Ones your parents
paf!
didn't plant in the garden.
Crève là.
You get the idea. Anyway, we probably ought to head back to class. Take your time. I'll see you back in class.
Faut-tu les achever pour pas qu'ils... Ouais, ils vont les péter pour pas qu'ils détruisent tout l'univers au complet. Qu'ils fassent un trou noir de cabbage. Bon, ça j'ai ça. Ça!
And with that helpful reminder as to why we should always wear our dragon hide gloves.
I tended to the Chinese chomping cabbages, Professor.
Remarkable plants, aren't they? I hope they weren't too much trouble. Oh, don't see any bite marks or missing digits.
Hey,
Good,
Irish Joe!
As you do seem to be quite
Comment va la
clean-skinned.
santé, mon chum?
Oh, I'm eager to see your skill in the soil continue to blossom.
I plant of...
Magical plants have so much to offer. I'm eager to learn more.
I'm glad. Herbology is a bounteous subject. Tend to your garden, and it will tend to you. Huh. Well, I suppose that's everything. Do come by for a chat
Yes.
sometime. I so enjoy checking in with my new
Oh,
students.
welcome back! Re-bienvenue, gang! Quest complete!
Hope those mandrakes are really relishing
J'ai
their
fait la
new
quest des
parts.
mandrakes.
Only cost me my
Revelio.
hearing.
Si je jouais des chats, moi les brûler encore. Bon, attend Potion Class. Potion Class. Je commence à être habitué tranquillement. On va aller faire de l'alcool. Ah non, pourquoi que ça dit que ça se calme avec les caps, c'est ben cave.
It's a relief to finally have an art.
Ah sérieux, Nightbot là, me semble que je t'avais Nightbot là, je l'avais enlevé, il me semble. Puis je sais pas, j'ai peut-être dû mal l'enlever ou quoi que ce soit, mais...
Leviosa.
Leviosa. Leviosa. Ouais, mais bon, sorry guys. Je vais essayer de trouver comment faire pour
Reparo.
l'enlever.
Revelio.
D'ailleurs, je commence à avoir une coupe de magie pas pire, avec je commence à m'adapter tranquillement. Ah. Oh, c'est l'autre bord de la porte. Puis comme mon bonhomme ressemble à un Français de France, ben...
Shouldn't there be auras or someone from the ministry guarding the school
What?
after the incident in Hogsmeade?
Professor Black would never
C'est ce que j'ai
allow
entendu.
that. It would make him...
Hein?
Revelio.
Alright, on va essayer de trouver les affaires dans la classe. Là, trouver une pièce! Ah oui, presque fini, il m'en reste juste une page. Je sais pas s'il va encore coucher à terre pour attendre. Ah non, pas besoin. Est-ce qu'il a de l'air boiteux?
Potions is one of the most challenging and hazardous subjects taught at this school. As fifth years,
Yes,
you will
m'en
be
fait ma
required to
potion.
reach new heights of both discipline and intellect. You will begin this term by brewing a Wiggenweld potion.
Ah, et puis ça m'a t'en faire en
Mr.
esti
Takar,
chier
can
de
you tell
ça.
us why this particular potion might come in handy?
Yes,
Manque un peu
Professor
plus
Sharp.
d'énergie.
The Wiggenweld potion can be used to sterilize and even heal a variety of injuries.
It can heal some injuries, but not all.
Oh mon Dieu.
Point for Ravenclaw. Before today's class is
Lui a un
completed,
passé
each of you
troublant.
will have brewed a Wiggenweld potion of your own. You never know when you might need it. Please begin.
Alright. On fait de la potion. En fait, c'est peut-être parce qu'il a peut-être trop pris de Viagra, puis ça,
Use a
c'est
strong,
comme sur le long de
even
sa
motion
jambe,
when
puis
crushing your ingredients.
il est juste comme pas capable de marcher comme du monde.
Please be
Peut-être ça, je me
meticulous
dis.
when adding powder to your potions. One errant sneeze could be disastrous.
Peut-être genre une trop grosse. Comme la sorcière dans Link to the Past, là. Tu lui donnes un champignon, puis elle te donne un... Plus tard, elle te donne un sac de poudre. Un sac de poudre.
I see most of you have not forgotten how to stir. Not an easy potion to brew. Well done. And from what I hear of your recent exploits in Hogsmeade, you'd also do well to practice brewing the defensive Edurus potion.
Right.
Professor Weasley had you acquire the recipe from J. Pippins, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. For the moment, you can find the ingredients you need in my office. But in the future, you'll be expected to provide your own ingredients. Some can be harvested from the plants you grow in your herbology class, and rarer ones can be purchased.
Get bitches.
Others, however, may be harder to obtain. and
La
will
genre de
require you
love
to be a bit
potion
more
là, qu'il y avait dans les
resourceful.
films. Là.
Come and see me when you've finished brewing, and we'll see if it was skill or luck the first time around.
Professor Sharp.
Professor Sharp said that
Professor
Wiggenweld potion
Sharps.
can treat injuries.
My Wiggenweld potion's utter rubbish. Wish I could just replace it with one.
Did I hear Professor Sharp say that you have permission to go into his office?
By the way, pour ceux qui se sont joints, le jeudi, je suis rendu 19h30 le jeudi, je fais Dynasty Warrior Origin. En fait, c'est mon personnage qui pète des gueules à des ragdolls. C'est vraiment plaisant, c'est vraiment satisfaisant après avoir fini une journée de travail, bûché du monde. C'est le fun.
But she can't be everywhere. Listen.
En plus, le jeu, je l'ai mis en chinois, mais sous-titré anglais, donc vous pouvez suivre.
I'm just missing one tiny last ingredient that will add that extra spark.
I suspect that's where I come in.
You're as clever as I'd hoped. I simply need a single Whooper feather. As you'll already be in Sharp's office with his permission, perhaps you could grab it for me.
Et j'ai pensé à ça aussi. Par la suite, après avoir terminé, soit le premier que je termine entre Between Hogwarts et Dynasty Origin, je pense faire No Man's Sky. Peut-être. Peut-être. Ça serait pas pire. Ça serait peut-être pas pire essayer. Un genre de jeu de vaisseau spatial.
I was impressed that you were able to answer Professor Sharp's question about the Wiggenweld potion.
Oh, you're the new student. I've heard much about you. Thank you.
Et by the way, lorsque je serai affiliate, c'est-à-dire avec 25 followers, c'est la seule chose qui me manque. Donc, si vous voulez me follow me sur Twitch, YouTube, etc. Mais à 25 followers, je vais commencer une 4e journée qui risque d'être un samedi matin tranquille à jouer un farming game comme Sun Heaven. Probablement Sun Heaven que je vais jouer.
Merlin's
qui est
beard,
crissement-
good
vraiment
conversation is the
intéressant.
enemy of
Très
free time.
intéressant comme
I must
farming
return
game.
my book, Gateway to the Far Stars, before my next
Donc,
class.
si vous
Speaking of stars,
suivez
we'll
mon
be in
Twitch
astronomy together. You'll
et
love
que
it.
grâce à
Professor
vous,
Shaw
je
is
tombe
fun,
affiliate,
quite clever.
je
See
rajoute
you soon,
une
no
quatrième
doubt.
journée.
Your potion should...
Revelio.
Mongrel, pick up. Alright. Proper feather. Alright, ça, un coffre ici. Oh! J'ai un meilleur gear pour ça, outfit. Alright. Ça exact, ça me manque un peu les jeux de vaisseau spatial. Donc,
Brilliant! Thank you. This is going to take a moment to brew. You should get back to brewing your Endurus potion, and I'll tell you when this concoction's finished.
Proficiency in potions are two things that cannot be rushed. Have patience and be thorough.
Ça ici. Ok, il va attendre 22 secondes. Dix, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, San, R, E, Caixa. Alright. Back.
And now we add the mallow sweet, and that's odd. What's happening? Wait, it's not supposed to.
Incendio.
Ah, on va mettre feu partout. Écris ça, le feu partout dans la place.
Well done, Gareth.
Alright.
What now, Mr. Weasley?
Non. C'est quoi l'annexe? C'est ça que j'ai fait à 10 potion class? Allez voir.
Sorry, Professor.
Fine job brewing.
That'll be points from Gryffindor. Again. Mr.
Ew.
Weasley did
Oh,
not
you're
do
not
this
prof.
on his own. His accomplice will answer to me as well.
I brewed an Endurus potion as you asked, Professor.
I'm surprised you had the time. You seemed rather busy helping Mr. Weasley brew chaos.
I'm sorry, Professor. I was merely trying to help a friend.
Taking responsibility for one's actions does go a long way with me. I shall assume that you've learnt a lesson. As for the work you did today at your own cauldron, I will say you've done well. I confess I was skeptical given the advanced nature of this class and the fact you're a new student.
I'm glad I was able to meet your expectations.
Sérieux, pourquoi il n'y a pas de genre d'école comme,
And you do well
comme
to remember
Hogwarts?
that you're
Tu
not a
t'inscris.
potions master quite yet. In addition to having
en
a
fais des
solid grasp
potions
of how
de
to
la magie.
combine various ingredients, you should gain an understanding of the ingredients themselves. Pay particular attention in herbology. The plants you nurture there are often essential to the potions you brew here. Now, I recommend that you find a safe location in which to practice brewing. You cannot leave a hot cauldron simply anywhere. That'll be all.
Alright, thank you, buddy.
I think each of us has had enough excitement for one day. Class is dismissed.
Ah! Ok. Pff. J'étais comme, what the fuck? Pourquoi il me dit que je vais perdre ma quest? Bon, meet with Natty. Ah non, je vais aller faire ça. Je vais aller chercher les récompenses pour avoir trouvé le truc là. Puis après ça, on va continuer la main quest, buddy. Oups.
Don't get too...
Je devrais être siffleur professionnel. dans ma vie.
Revelio.
Tu as quoi à dire, toi? T'as l'air d'avoir de quoi à dire.
Professor, do you have time to chat?
I always have time for my students. How may I
May
help
I
you?
help you? Do you want a papadam? How long have you taught?
I wondered if I might ask how long you've been teaching at Hogwarts.
Well, it's been what now? 7 swift years. Time does fly because we have fun. Essential, in my opinion. An eager, positive, and confident mind is the most open to knowledge, I find.
Some of the professors may not agree with your approach.
Well, each of us has our own style, I suppose. Some in the teaching field believe that hard work and dedication are the only keys to success. But they forget what drives those things. If one cannot fathom why some would expend energy on gobstones, then one is blind to the enormous power of play.
And that's why you teach the way you do.
Precisely. I strive to be the sort of professor that I would have enjoyed in school. My experience was less cheerful.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir. It sounds as if your experience as a student was less than ideal.
Had I received a more traditional education, well, enough about my student days. You are here now, and it would be a shame if you didn't enjoy it.
I'll do my best, Professor. Thank you for the advice.
You are most welcome. Try to have a bit of fun today.
Toujours du fun à brûler des chats.
Revelio.
Sure! Sure. Sure.
Incendio. Reparo. Incendio.
Sure. You know, sure.
Revelio.
C'est que je suis méchant. C'est tellement le fun d'être méchant. Des fois. Ah non, c'est vrai, tu sens pas, c'est là. Pas de hey!
Find anything yet?
C'est des chats immortels, ils adorent ça, ça leur donne un petit peu de chaleur.
Thought you might like to know that my map led to a doorway hidden within a portrait.
Oh, how clever! Mine led to the boathouse. Barely found the treasure before I saw the headmaster coming. He shooed me out of there, but not before I got a few gallons richer.
Ok, ouais, je vais essayer.
What did you find?
I found what I believe is an authentic historian's uniform.
Ah, probablement avec le feu.
Lucky. Seems as though we both had success. Glad I enlisted you to join me.
Hey. All right.
Well, on to the next Hogwarts mystery. Wonder if a quick rummage round Weasley's office might yield anything interesting.
Oh! Un nouvel habit. Hey, Super Pete! What's up? J'espère que ça va bien. I hope it's fine. So first symbol reveal. Déjà. Ah, ok. Oh ouais, nice. C'est bien hot ça. So cool. Moi, j'imagine, tu fais ça de même. Alright. Ah, chat! Il a passé en avant de moi. By the way, you can always tell me if you want I speak in English, I can speak English, I can also speak French, I can speak Chinese. So, whatever you prefer. Sur le premier symbole, ça apporte. OK. Alright, ici. Non. Oh. Allemand? Alright. Malheureusement, je parle pas allemand. Sorry, I don't speak German. But that could be cool. Alright. Non? Premier symbole est 0. OK. Premier symbole est 0. Ouais, premier symbole en haut, 0. Deuxième symbole, c'est licorne? Non? Asti, je comprends rien. 4? 1. La licorne serait 1. OK. Fait que ça, c'est 1. Attends. 3 plus 0 plus celui après 2, 3, 4. Hein? Moi, je veux juste des symboles. Ok, on met ça ici. Ça, dans le fond, ça, c'est le premier symbole. Premier symbole serait 0. Ça, le point d'interrogation, c'est 0, si je comprends bien. C'est-tu ça? Non? Ok. Point d'interrogation 3, 0. 0. Oh. Fait que le symbole, ça serait... Ça? 3, ici. 3 plus 0, 0. Fait que c'est le troisième symbole ici. 4 plus licorne. 4. Non. 5 moins 3, 0. Ah. Mais ça sert à quoi, je veux dire, les petits bonhommes à gauche puis à droite? Le centre et le total. OK. Le centre et le total ou non? Le centre et le total. Ça veut dire 4 plus 8, 12. Oh, si, ok. Fuck. C'est ça qui gosse. C'est que les animaux, c'est des... Ok, mais là, savoir lequel animal et quel chiffre. Et là, ok, fait que la licorne, c'est 1. Ça, c'est 2. 3. 4. Ah, c'est chat. Ok. Ah, alright, ok. Oh, fuck, ok, ok. Ok, fait dans le fond, 3, 0, puis ça donne 5. Ça veut dire 3 plus 2 plus 0, ça donne 5. Donc ici, c'est la ligne... Ah, c'est chat! Ok, je pense que je commence à comprendre. Hey, c'est pas évident, guys, pour les affaires avec la porte. Ah là, va-t'en, là. Va-t'en, là. Bye. 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 Ok, fait que, donc, 3, 0. Il faut que ça donne 5. Donc, 3 plus 2, 5. Fait que le premier point d'interrogation, c'est le chiffre 2. qui est 1, 2, licorne 2. Mais pas de licorne. À moins que ça passe ici. Donc l'araignée. Non, c'est une araignée. Alright. On va essayer ça. Puis ici, 4 plus licorne plus... Licorne est 1. Ok. Licorne t'es 1. 5. Ça veut dire 4 plus 1. Fait que licorne est 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Ça veut dire pour donner 12, il faut 7. Et 7, c'est... Ah... Je n'ai-tu un? C'est à moins que je l'avais pas trouvé. View. Ah, j'ai pas le papier encore. Peut-être pour ça que c'est mêlant de même. Maybe that's why that's kind of boring like this. Anyway. Allez, je vais checker plus tard. On va aller faire des quests. Fuck. Sinon, on restera pas en avant d'une porte jusqu'à la fin de... Ah, regarde. Fait que 1... Whatever. Fait que ça, c'est licorne. 2, ça serait... Ça? Non. Fuck. Lézard. Voyons, calice. Fuck it. Finis par le trouver à un moment donné. Ah, c'est que je suis mauvais.
Galleons and a historian's uniform.
I can appreciate Hogsmeade all year round.
Oh, il y a quelque chose en haut. On va aller chercher une feuille. Alright. Alright. 25. Ouais, ça j'avais compris qu'il faut que je mette les deux correctement. C'est quels les estis deux, c'est ça le problème. Mais bon. Ah, ouais, fuck les portes là. On va réfléchir à ça pendant que je suis couché là. Des fois ça va peut-être aider. Pendant la nuit là. Qu'est-ce qui te tracasse mon chéri? Les hosties de porte à Hogwarts. Clac, 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 clac. Alright.
Revelio.
J'ai-tu manqué quelque chose, moi? Oh!
Accio.
Viens dans ici, toi. Ah, 500. Christ, c'est assez loin. On va y aller avec la map. Map, 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 map. Map, 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 world map. Ah oui, elle était ici. Je peux-tu y aller? Ah non, faut que j'y aille à pied. Ah, puis le village est là. Fait qu'on va y aller à pied. C'est le fun, anyway, y aller à pied. Ça pourrait prendre une petite marche, puis on fait des petites rencontres, puis on... Ramasse des champignons.
Revelio.
And it's make me know you more. If you have any questions, sometimes you can ask me. I'm a little bit stupid, but I'm not so stupid. Hop. Hein? Oh, cool. Right, Moonstone. La Moonstone. C'est quoi j'ai entendu? Il fait ça. Ah, des champignons!
Revelio.
Revelio! Des champignons! Des champignons magiques. Cours, 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 cours. Cours, 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 cours. Run, Forest, run. Il va être tout trempe, esti. Ah, il y a une quest ici ou une affaire en point d'interrogation?
Revelio. Incendio.
J'ai faim. Manger du poulet. Dommage, par exemple, que ça fait pas comme dans genre Zelda ou quelque chose. Là. Tu crées ça le feu aux poules, puis après ça, toutes les poules arrivent puis ils décalissent la vie. Non, on fait là. Oh, je pense qu'il y a une grotte ici. C'est ça que j'ai compris. Bon. On va au moins mettre le Fedora. Il va avoir l'air moins français. Ah, il y a de quoi ici?
Revelio.
Revelio. Oh. Eh, on va juste... Petite pastèque.
I should investigate.
Ouais. Hey, on va-tu la faire? Wow. Bon. Oh, ok, je pense que je comprends ici. Ça, je pense que je l'ai catché vite. Alright.
Reparo.
Non, pas Reparo. C'était ça qu'il fallait que je fasse? Deux étapes.
Accio. Leviosa.
Alright.
Incendio.
Alright. Crisser le feu après. Toujours plaisant de mettre le feu. Ah, fuck. Est-ce que j'ai ça? C'est tout le temps plein de crise de fer de gear. Seek and destroy. Bon, ça devrait éclairer un peu. Oh fuck, pour un affaire de merde.
Revelio.
Alright, la pierre a dit par là. Shoot une flèche là. Ah. Alright. Bon, peut-être plus tard. Mais bon. On va essayer d'aller faire la quest. La main quest pour ceux qu'on game. Oh yeah. Daily Mass. C'est quoi tu veux, buddy?
I beseech you for some assistance.
Ouais, parle.
Hello. Can I help you?
Oh, thank goodness. Yes. My name is Grace,
Pinch Smedley.
Of the Bath, Pinch Smedleys. I was hoping someone would come along soon.
C'est quoi avant son autre
I was
bain?
about to defy my father's wishes and would never have forgiven myself. You see, I need to retrieve something from the bottom of the lake. Might you be the one to help me?
Ça dépend.
Diving into the lake sounds like an adventure. Tell me more.
Splendid. Precisely the response I'd hoped for.
What do you need
Par
help
contre, je pense qu'il faut probablement que j'aille de quoi pour
My
aller super
grandfather,
deep dans le
who
lac.
fancied himself quite the astronomer, set sail from Hogsmeade Station for what was meant to be a quick stargazing cruise with my grandmother. They never returned.
I'm so sorry. What happened to them?
We can't be sure.
They
We
drowned?
only know that neither they nor their boat made it back to shore. They were presumed drowned.
Oh.
Father was so distraught that he forbade our family from setting foot on or in the Black Lake ever again. A treasured family astrolabe vanished with them that night.
Alright.
If you could dive down and retrieve it,
Oh, thanks
I
for
may
the
be able to
follow.
bring my father some peace.
Super Pete, it's you who followed me, I guess. Thank you.
You seem to think I might have heard of the Bath Pinch Smedleys. Why would I know your family?
That's like asking why the sky is blue or grass is green. The Pinch Smedley name is synonymous with intellectual curiosity. We are known for our contributions to science and art. I'm surprised you haven't heard of us, frankly. But with all I plan to discover about the world around us, those that don't yet know the name certainly one day will.
Alright. What an ass.
What exactly is an astrolabe?
Ok, astrolabe,
It's an
j'avais vu what an
astonishing
asshole.
ancient navigational tool. Essentially, a
What's
handheld
an
model
asshole?
of the universe. It's mainly used for studying the stars, astronomical pursuits, but it has nearly 1,000 uses. Fascinating device. Sadly, I'd imagine it's rusted beyond repair now. Still, we'd love to have it returned to us. It would be like getting a bit of my grandparents back.
It sounds dangerous, especially for something of mere sentimental value.
I understand. But I'd be forever grateful.
Oh,
Of course, you may discover much more than the astrolabe. Anything else you found would be all yours.
Alright.
I've cross-referenced the vessel's last alleged location against the lake's topography,
J'aime bien son petit
depth
chapeau
charts,
fedora
and
à cette
tide
heure.
schedule.
C'est quand même
My
cool.
best guess is that it's just over there, about a furlong from the dock. It would be wonderful to have my grandfather's astrolabe back.
Alright.
I do hope you find the astrolabe. It would mean so much to our family.
It sounds as if her astrolabe is just northeast of the dock. I should dive down and see.
Dive in the Black Lake. Ah, on va aller diver un peu. Il y a des genres de spots, j'imagine que c'est là qu'on peut diver.
This must be where the Pinch Smedley family astrolabe is.
Oh! Un chapeau orange. Alright. Ok, Blue Summer Protection, Google. Non, les Google que j'ai sont cool. Ah, une potion. Ah, ok, ça j'ai le...
I should let Grace know that I found her family
Ouais,
astrolabe.
je vais ramasser les autres affaires avant, là. Oh! Des meilleurs gants, hein? Je m'en viens de machine de guerre, là. Ils sont plus haut de niveau, mais sont égales. Mais je vais garder ceux-là. Parce qu'ils sont orange. Ah! Il y avait quand même du bon stock, je pense. À date. Ah ouais, nage, hostie. Nage, 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 nage. Nage. Ah. All right. Voyons, si même moi je marche mieux que ça dans l'eau. Donc, c'était pas bon. Voyons, si tu sautes donc ben pas haut. Bon.
Hello, Grace. I followed your bearings on a dive in the Black Lake.
Oh, how incredible! Did you find the astrolabe?
Yep.
I did. I hope it makes your father happy.
It will. I can't wait to see his face. Thank you so much for doing this for me, and for my family. You do well to keep an eye out for more spots to dive. A diver of your caliber is certain to find all sorts of things down there. Thank you again. And I do hope you keep diving.
Pleasure.
You certainly haven't.
Ouais.
Revelio.
Coupe d'affaires à ramasser, je pense, c'est là.
I never thought Ramrock's loyalists would go this
Shut
far.
the fuck up. Une affaire brun. Pour la baguette. Ici, t'as-tu quelque chose? Une poche de cash? Non. Non. Pas du cash. Ici. Impérial.
Revelio.
Cool. Oh, tentes-tu d'acheter des
Hello,
affaires?
sir. What do you sell here?
Hello, I'm Jalal Semi, and this is my potion shop. I can answer any questions you have about the town.
Ouais, quoi à vendre, buddy? Who the fuck
Can you tell me a bit about yourself?
Oh, let's see. Well, I am Lord Hogsfield's preeminent potioneer. But I was once a lowly Hogwarts
J'avais
student
dit
like
que j'allais
you.
tout faire les points
In fact,
d'interrogation,
I'll
donc...
give you the Hogwarts discount. It's the standard price. My prices are low enough already, you see.
Any rumor about
Any
going
whispers
about?
going about the town?
You may have noticed we have a bit of a rivalry with Upper Hogsfield. Not much to it, but we're still the better of the two Hogsfields. Better than most other places, too.
Alright, what
do you have for sale?
I sell only potions and their ingredients. If you can't fix it with a potion, then it's best left broken, I say. My ingredients are all local to this area, and my potions are brewed to keep you healthy and safe.
Alright.
What do you have for sale?
Tu vends du stock du... On va voir si je peux vendre. Oh, yes.
I'll have no trouble selling this. Thank you.
On va vendre la shit. I'm a poor fruit merchant. What do you want to buy?
Ah, yes.
no,
a
but-
wonderful choice. I hope to see you again sometime.
Peut-être, si t'es gentil. Juste si t'es gentil. Alright, bon.
Pardon me, is everything all right?
Des petits en
Hardly.
tabarnak.
I've just lost my business and almost my life. You'd best look elsewhere for wares. I've nothing to sell now. I never thought it'd come to this. Be on your guard. Ranrock and his loyalists will spare no one.
They attacked you.
Oh, Ranrock has no patience for goblins who won't join him. While I too would like to see goblin kind treated by wizards as equals, bloodshed is not the answer. When I said as much, they turned on me, struck me till I nearly passed out. Took my carts, my belongings, even that which is most precious to me.
Ben, j'imagine qu'il faut trouver sa peinture.
Has Ranrock's not attacked you like this before?
They've been taunting and threatening me for a while now. But they've always believed that violence is the only way to get what they want. Things have taken a much darker turn of late. Ranrock is getting more powerful, and his loyalists know it.
Oh, mais pète ta gueule,
Feel
Ranrock.
untouchable. Ranrock assumed that all goblins would agree to follow him, but he was wrong. Many of us would like a diplomatic end to the discord with wizard kind.
You mentioned that your paintings were taken. Are you a painter?
I am.
I'm
It's
the
my
Bob
calling,
Ross of
though
the
most would
Goblin.
think it an unusual path for a goblin. Most of my family work in metal, or associated with Gringotts. I'd wager my finest brush that Ranrock's lot have no appreciation for any of my work, and it'll be tossed aside for kindling. Without my carts and my livelihood, who knows when I'll be able to
Il
paint
peint
again.
some little happy tree.
I'm sorry this happened to you. I shall certainly keep an eye out for your cards.
That is very kind of you, but I think they took them to their camp southwest of here,
All
just past some ruins. Too dangerous to try and retrieve them. I did enchant the carts to return to me if I ever lost them, however. Slim though the chances may be, I'm holding out hope that some of what was taken is returned to me. It was nice meeting you.
C'est bien loin? Ah non, il est
Should have
loin
been
en
under
esti.
better
On va faire la
circumstances.
main quest.
After what Ranrock did to that goblin banker at Gringotts, I shouldn't be...
Couche
It is
dehors.
good to see you, my friend.
Je me réveille pendant que j'étais en train de coucher en plein milieu de la rue. Là.
Hello, Natty. How are you? I hope you've
Est-ce que
recovered
j'aimerais ça
from
me
a rather
réveiller de même?
eventful
Si tu
trip
te réveilles,
to
t'es
Hogsmeade.
comme...
I am well,
Sup?
but I have been worried
Ben en
about you,
forme.
my friend. With Ranrock and Rookwood and Harlow after you?
I'm all right at the moment.
We did not speak about it at the time.
Des
but
choses
I am
impossibles
hoping
à faire
now
dans les
you
jeux
might tell
vidéo.
me why they were looking for you.
Dormir correctement. I can say
I've
for-
never met Rookwood or Harlow. Perhaps they mistook me for another student.
A bit odd. The two of them pursuing a Hogwarts student so intently. But whatever the reason, you were clearly in danger.
All
For
right.
now, it is safe to say that Rookwood and Harlow are a threat to both of us, to all of us. Which is why I wanted to speak to you. I
All right.
realized something that day in Hogsmeade. You displayed such courage fighting that troll, and Serona wasn't intimidated one bit by Rookwood and Harlow. Both of you have inspired me to take a stand of my own.
What sort of stand?
Men like Rookwood and Harlow are the reason my mother and I left Matibili land. I am not going to sit by and watch them destroy my new home.
Je l'aime bien, elle. Elle est quand même assez cool. Glad to hear that.
Rookwood and Harlow are a dangerous pair. And the fact that they're working with Ranrock, well,
All the more reason they must be stopped. Rumor has it that Theophilus Harlow runs Rookwood's day-to-day operations. Taking him down would cripple Rookwood's entire enterprise.
that may be true. But shouldn't Officer Singer handle someone like Harlow?
I spoke with her. She was polite, but perhaps understandably would not discuss details with the students.
All right.
I overheard some of Rookwood's lot talking about a massive poaching operation that Harlow is planning. I was thinking that we could investigate a bit, try to get the evidence that Officer Singer needs.
All right. But
All
how?
right, but
I will watch and listen, find out precisely what Harlow is up to. I shall reach out when I know more. In the meantime, remember, I am here if you need me.
Thank you, Natty.
Bon, au début, je me disais,
Be on your guard.
la seule chose que j'aime plus ou moins de Hogwarts, c'est vraiment qu'il manque d'action un peu, etc. Cependant... Ok, non. Cependant, c'est vrai que Harry Potter, c'est pas un truc de combat intense ou autre.
What's going on here?
The girl from Ouagadougou. C'est pas un univers qui est du combat aux 5 minutes, c'est ça que je voulais dire.
I've no idea who it is you think I might have seen. I've been busy with my research. I do not have time to...
Victor Rookwood don't give a doxy's nip back your time. Oi! Speak of the devil. Mr. Rookwood would like a word with you.
Fuck off.
Students, you can't be sick.
Enough out of you.
Leave her alone.
Stupefy!
You'll regret crossing Incendio!
Boom! C'est-tu que j'aime ça, le garocher des affaires d'en face? Alright.
I'll watch the light go out of your eyes.
Enfin.
Oh, hang on. We can hold them off.
I'm not going anywhere with
You take this student off of my dead body!
You're going to regret that.
Oh.
You will pay for your deed. I'm not done with it.
Ah, attends, c'est quoi ça? C'est qu'ils ont payé. C'est tellement plaisant!
What on earth just happened? I've never been accosted in such a manner, and so close to Hogwarts.
Pas grave, c'était cool.
Are you all right?
I am, thanks in no small part to your excellent defensive skills. Care to tell me why 2 Ashwinders were ready to dispatch me to get to you?
Ashwinders?
Victor Rookwood's thieves and extortionists, his little cronies. They seemed quite keen on you.
It's a long story, but thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Well, you've avoided them for the moment. Priya warned me things were getting dangerous. Best get moving on my research before they return.
You mentioned someone named Priya.
Yes, my wife. She's the one who piqued my interest in Merlin. Gave me a book when we were students at Hogwarts. Typical hard-working Hufflepuff. Brilliant potioneer. Has her own shop in Knockturn Alley. She's a travelling vendor. Hears what's going on in the Highlands before I do.
You're a researcher?
Nora Treadwell at your service. Historian and archaeologist specialising in Merlin's work and life.
How extraordinary.
Merlin? Of the legend of King Arthur?
The very same. Merlin attended Hogwarts, you know, and I'm studying some curious fixtures he left here centuries
Merlin
ago.
attended Hogwarts. Ça veut dire que ça fait longtemps en esti qu'Hogwarts existe.
Pillars, dozens of them, all around the area. I've taken to calling them the Trials of Merlin.
Si on comprend le
I
concept.
believe he created them as a diversion for his fellow Slytherins. He was terribly fond of puzzles and enigmas.
How
I can see
fascinating.
why you're so interested in Merlin. I'd be keen to know more about the trials.
Well then, I'll let you in on a little secret. No one has yet managed to figure out how they work. But I believe I have just unlocked a crucial clue. I suspect that Mallowsweet is an important component in getting the trials to work.
Mallowsweet?
Versatile herb. Merlin repeatedly mentioned it in his writings. I had just arrived to test my theory when I was so rudely interrupted. You see, each swirl in Merlin's writing has its symbol in the centre. That started me thinking, what if...
The Mallowsweet is meant to be placed at the centre of the symbols.
Precisely. Would you care to do the honours? We can see what comes of our little hypothesis. I brought a trunk chock full of mallowsweet with
All
me.
right.
It's just over there by my tent.
Bon, on va prendre ça.
This trunk?
Yes, take plenty, even if you already have some.
I have.
All right.
Lovely. Now, notice the vines on these pillars here, as well as a stone swell on the ground. Each trial has these features. Place the mallowsweet on the swell, and we'll see what happens.
Mm-hmm. Alright, first activate the trial by dropping some mallowsweet on the stone. Ok. Ça veut dire qu'il faut que j'aille dans... Ici, non? Alright. Bon. Oui.
What? Did you see that? The vines
Yep.
disappeared.
What should I do now?
This
Incendio.
is Merlin's beard.
The flames make the pyre sink.
C'est le feu. Ah, j'ai écrit ça de feu, ça. Alright.
Merlin's beard, how beautiful. What a day. I can hardly believe it.
I take it we can call that a success?
We can indeed. However, I now have even more questions. How does it work? I must review my notes. I may have missed something.
Are all of the trials like this one?
Oh, not precisely. Well, I think each has those telltale vines and the swirl on the ground. You should feel free to solve them as you come across them. I believe I have what I need to continue my research. My guess is that each will also require mallowsweet, which you can find in Hogsmeade should you need more. I really must be off. Such a pleasure to meet you. And do be careful out here. Now, I've got what I needed. I shall return to the safety of my notes and...
Alright. Ah, des champignons! Champignons! Des champignons magiques. Ouais, ça veut dire que là, je peux aller faire la side quest pour ça.
A portrait in our common room wants to talk to you.
All right.
It's Eldritch Diggory. He used to be the Minister for Magic, I think.
If you're here for my wares, I'm afraid I still don't.
Je vais faire Carded Away. Puis après ça, je vais faire... Après ça, c'est assez
After
loin.
what Ranrock did to that goblin banker at Gringotts,
On
I
peut,
shouldn't
je
be
pense, des
surprised
petites
at what
choses
happened to
rouges, c'est
Arn.
pour tuer du monde. Alright. Bye! Bon, là, on commence à avoir un peu de mobs. Alright. Bon. Ah, what the fuck? Face it. Tu caches. Une plume. Ah.
Let's see what's up your sleeve this time, Merlin. Accio. Levioso. Accio. Levioso. Accio.
Y'en a-tu d'autres? Y'en a-tu d'autres? Voilà.
Levioso. Accio.
Ah, là. Ben, y'en a donc moins. Hey! Ouais, fais-moi pas croire qu'il y en a d'autres. Connection, Dark Mongrel. On a pas d'autres. On va tuer ça. Right. Bah, je sais pas. Anyway. On va aller faire la side quest. De me manquer une étape. Quoi de genre. Oh. Aïe aïe.
Incendio. Stupid one.
Oh.
Stupid one.
Aïe donc, mon... Si, voilà. Il y en a des loups. Coupe de loups. Ça fait beaucoup.
Revelio.
Hey, écureuil! Écureuil, écureuil! Qu'est-ce qu'il y a de bord ici? Écureuil! Bon, j'arrive là.
An encampment. This must be it.
Oh, faut péter l'encampment.
Looks as if there's more than one way to enter.
Will regret not joining us. You don't come round now. You'll be made even more of an example.
Potato!
I won't rest.
Incendio. How many of you are there?
Ouf.
Potato!
Ah, c'est vrai, faut dodger. Est-ce que je suis cave?
You were never going to win.
Ah, fuck. Ah. C'est quand on faisait pour dodger, j'ai oublié le piton. Ah. C'est ça, quand que le truc est rouge. Dodge.
How many of you are there?
Whoops.
Potato!
Non, c'est pas dodge.
I feel as though you're not even trying. You won't get away with it.
Not quite.
Non. Je me rappelle plus du piton pour dodger. Donc, on va aller voir. Setting. Control, dodge. Ah non. Dodge, 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 dodge. Control. Ah, ça, je fais control.
Before you were born.
All right.
Your spells glance off of me. I should have been you won't get away with that. If only Ranrock were here to see it! Our ribbon is dying, are we?
Ça, j'étais beau.
I should have been your death. Why have you not run away? Intend to die, do you? You won't get away with that.
Alright. Faut que tu payes. C'est ce qui est payé. C'est tout, c'est là. Oh non, c'est vrai. Incendio. Alright, ça c'était beau ça.
Now, to free Arn's cards.
Incendio.
Okay.
Revelio.
Alright. Alright.
Quite an
Chess.
enchantment. The cards are returning to Arn.
Ouais. Bon, ben, je crois que on va... arrêter ça là. Peut-être 3, peut-être 2.
Incendio. Levioso.
Ah. Oui, mais là, il faut le coffre, moi, là. Puis je fais Akio. Oh, ok. Alright. Hey, j'ai une nouvelle cravate. Bon. Ben, tout le monde, on va finir ça pour aujourd'hui. Je remercie tout le monde d'avoir été là. Pour le reste, n'oubliez pas que jeudi 19h30, je stream à Dynasty Warrior Origin. J'ai déjà mis la première vidéo en ligne sur ma chaîne YouTube que vous pouvez suivre. Donc, je vous invite à suivre ma chaîne YouTube. Et par la suite, vous pouvez aussi joindre mon TikTok, etc. Et tout est dans la bio de Twitch. Donc, vous pouvez aussi follow me si vous voulez éventuellement que je joigne Affiliate. En étant Affiliate, je vais faire une 4e journée le samedi matin vers 10h à Sun Heaven. Et n'oubliez pas que le main story, c'est le dimanche à 19h avec Necozilla. On joue 2 heures, en moyenne 2 heures, 2 heures et demie à Final Fantasy XIV Realm Reborn. On est rendu presque à la fin, on a presque fini le 2.0 et on a tué le dernier Primal. Il nous reste les généraux de l'Empire, puis c'est pas mal ça, plus Ultima Weapon. Donc il nous reste ça. N'oubliez pas de venir nous voir et c'est ça. Et le mardi, bien sûr, à 19h, c'est Hogwarts Legacy. Donc, je vous souhaite une excellente soirée et merci à tous d'avoir été là. Au revoir.